Hi, Vlogmas friends. An important message for me. Good morning, welcome to Vlogmas Day 15. Okay, that took all of 5 minutes. It was just like a 3-week checkup on my extensions, but it was good, and I'm glad that I went. Oh my god, my legs are so tired from yesterday's workout. Don't you judge me walking up these stairs. Anyways, yeah, so it was my 3-week checkup, and she did confirm. My extensions look great, bumps look great, everything is laying as it should. I'm not murdering my expensive fake hair. Now let's go see how many construction workers are in my house. Well, I came home and the construction is gone. Thor, did you scare them away with your endless coughing? Yes, I thought you may have. Jeez, take a breath, dude. Well, we have no knowledge of what they've done because everything looks the same. We have no knowledge if they're coming back. We have no knowledge of anything, really, but I'm not that mad about it. Oh, baby, Cookie just got serious. She put a claw clip in, an apron on, and started melting 4 sticks of butter. Okay, I made cookies and they look like trash because I didn't. Also, don't mind my flour pile. Normally these would sit in the fridge for longer and then they would look better. Also, I may have forgot about the butter on the stove, but they taste good, okay? It's gonna be good. We also have some minestrone soup coming together over here. I put a lot of pasta in because it's like the Banza stuff. So I was like, hey, a little bit of protein. Soup makes you feel more full. Here we are. Also, I was out of beans, etc. And then finally, someone may have got an air fryer, and my favorite thing so far to put in it, by far, is not anything healthy. It is these breaded fried raviolis from Trader Joe's. They literally even have air fryer instructions on the back. But they're so good. They're my favorite thing. So I have to hurry up and get these cookies in the oven because I need to go over to Iris's house in a little bit. She was like, hey, if you want to come early, you can. And I was like, yes. Yes. Ooh, what a vibe, friends. What a vibe. I even got the double fried ravioli. Heck yeah. Just delectable. Okay, sorry, Ira was on a call, which was ruining my audio. My cookies came out. My water bottle just hit them, really. My cookies came out so ugly, like just hideous, but I know that they taste good because A, I made them, B, I tasted them. But you know, like mother, like daughter, I guess. Okay, we're gonna go to Iris's house because it's Tuesday, which means we have improv class, and it's her turn to drive, sucker.
No. Like mother, like a dog. Cross-eyed.
A buck tooth.
I didn't have braces. You can't afford braces. No. You need to get a job.
I'm here in Iris's home. I've laid myself down. She has brought me water. Full service.
What more could you need?
Does she have a brain? Does she have a dollar? None of these things apply. Goodbye, George. We'll see you after improv.
You're so dumb. Sports fans, I just want to talk. Why? Who? How much?
Every time Iris drives, we get stuck in this traffic.
I could have turned here the entire time.
I love how stressed you are about being on time, and I'm just here like,
You know, I'm a very timely lady.
I like that. I appreciate it.
But at this point, I've given up. Don't lose hope. But in this case,
I think we're gonna show up there.
I think we'll be like 2 minutes late, if that.
I think we'll arrive exactly on
Watch
time.
this be foreshadowing, and then you're gonna put like a screen that's like,
They're
they
dead.
were wrong, they're dead.
They would never.
You're just
see
gonna
it
put up
again.
our obituaries. Ira, if you're editing this in the future, put up our obituaries, please. And make sure they pick a good picture of me. Thank you.
Oh my god, it's like we're gonna arrive up perfectly on time.
Yes, please.
It's like you got us here in the
And now I
perfect-
swear to God, if the elevator's out of order, I'm gonna kill myself.
2 hours later.
How was your improv class?
I had them laughing. I had them rolling.
I
girl.
feel like you had a lot of very good ones, which is funny because earlier you were like, this is gonna be the
No,
worst
I really
class.
thought I was gonna go in and be like, just like nothing.
me.
Just, but no, it was a good class.
Maybe.
And we got there on time.
Yeah.
It's very cold, but other than that.
Maybe sleep deprivation. Iris is the best. Iris.
Honestly, truly.
Broken
probably.
ribbed Iris.
Broken rib. Listen, y'all. My cartilage and my ribs do be inflamed. But here I am, still cracking the
Just
jokes.
make them laugh.
I work so
killing
hard. Well, Lauren, I thought you had a good class.
She threw me a pity bone. She
No,
said-
I did think you had a good class. That one, the one was very funny.
The problem is that she's like, okay, once you hear the first laugh, cut it. And I'm like, I can't hear anybody ever. Like, I'm so unaware of anything outside of just open your mouth and don't say something stupid.
I feel like you're also so focused on the other person, or you're focused on what the f am I gonna do next?
Yeah.
So then you don't think about like.
No, Timmy,
what's going
yeah, I
on.
can't hear anyone laughing. And because what they'll do is they'll be like, okay, after the first laugh, just cut a scene. Like, that's one of the things. And
Yeah.
I'm like,
Which is fun. I do think it's fun. But then I get in my head, I'm like, you can't laugh at anything.
yeah, don't give them an easy gig.
I know. I'm like, you gotta make me laugh. I do kind of like that though too, because then you examine why you laugh,
Well, also, I just feel
and then
like
you're like, ah, that's funny.
otherwise,
oh, comedy.
Yeah, because otherwise too, when it's just like go as a montage, everybody's too afraid to cut it because you don't want to be a jerk and be like, this isn't funny.
That's how I felt. I cut one of them, but I also was like, I just feel like I was like, y'all got a real big laugh, so I was like, I don't really know if it's gonna get any funnier from
yeah,
here.
that's what I mean. Is like it's just hard when like no one's laughing, and then you're just like,
Yeah.
okay, I don't want to get in this, but I also don't want to end it.
I also don't want to end it and be an asshole.
I'm just going to turn around and look at the wall.
Yeah, 100%.
That was class. In summary.
That was class. Hi, Vlogmas friends. An important message for me.
My car mats got here, and would it make more sense and be more efficient to just walk it to my car? Yes, but I cannot be bothered right now. Did you do your 6-minute clean?
Oh, I did.
Good.
Did you?
Did you actually?
Yeah. Did you do your 6-minute clean?
I did do my 6-minute clean.
You did?
I did mine earlier today because I knew when I got home I would be way too tired.
Wow.
Door grease. Hello, friends. I must tell you, I apologize if this was a weird, sad excuse for a vlog. I don't know. Today was just very busy. Yeah, not really anything super fun or exciting happened, but hopefully you enjoyed, because this is my life. Also, today's Vlogmas got up very late. I had to call Ira when I was at Iris's house to see if he could upload the video for me. Anyways, friends, I had a good improv class. I can nerd out about this a lot, very easily. I don't know, the more that I do improv, like the more rules that you learn about it. It's like, oh, that's what makes this funny, and like, I don't know, it's just very cool. And there was this girl in my class, she's so good, she's so impressive. And today I was like, just so you know, you're very talented and I aspire to be you. Like, just doing scenes with her is so much easier because she's just so good. It's like, okay, you can take a lead and I don't have to deal with this. I think that's pretty much it for this video. I have nothing left to give. I gave it all during my improv class. I'm tired, I am done. I gotta braid my hair, I gotta wash. What is happening with this eyebrow? Like, who am I? I'm gonna eat this. Friends, I might have another. Anyways, go have a piece of chocolate. Oh, it's delicious. Also, go floss. Yeah, eat the chocolate, then floss. Or floss, then eat the chocolate. I don't know. I'm not your mom. Anyways, have a nice day. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow.